Alright, y'all, so this is gonna be a quick little video on replacing the HID bulb on a Lexus IS350 3rd gen. Yeah, let's do it. So I already started off disassembling taking off the bumper and everything, and I already have the headlight in my hand. What I'm going to do is actually take all these wires off the headlight so I can put it in the oven. Reason why I took the headlight off, if y'all don't know or not, but I'm pretty sure y'all do know that you cannot replace your high beam or low beams on your Lexus IS350 headlight. All right, so I took every screw out of this thing, including these cards. The computer light LED controller. Oh, dropping shit. Anyway, now I'm about to put them in the oven. I want to take this off, but it's being the ass, so I'm just not gonna take it off. Wish me luck. Hopefully it works. If don't, we gonna find out. All right, y'all. After endless of heat gun and oven treatment to get some of this adhesive off, I've got it open, but there is another issue I came across so far. So I still can't get to the HID right now because this is covering the area. So I look behind there just to see how to screw it off, and the screws are literally right there. I end up having to drill a hole. And some of y'all guys like, you drilled a hole, man? Man, yeah, I drilled a hole. But either way, so drilled a hole, and I'm gonna seal it back up, obviously. So I drilled the hole, I'm gonna seal it back up, and I'm gonna just keep going. I got it open. I'm gonna see how far I can get before I completely destroy the headlight, or if I already did already. So stay tuned. So I finally got this out. So I'm gonna let y'all know, this part right here is not screwed in onto the housing. So there's a adjuster. It's like a screw that goes all the way through here, and I'll show y'all that in the next clip. Is that and this spot right here where it's basically both of the light adjusters goes, they're holding this in. So if you pop this out, get like a little needle nose pliers, squeeze it, pop that out, and use an 8mm to unscrew this all the way, it will literally fall out. This is the bolt I was talking about when you need an 8mm to screw it out with. Well, I would like to let y'all know this is an epic fail because I should have known that these were LEDs instead of HIDs. So it's the LED light bar strip thingy that's mounted in that reflects off obviously whatever the light thing. I'm just disappointed. At the end of the day, do not waste your time. Long story short, do not waste your time opening up these headlights unless you, first of all, know what you're doing, and also if you have those parts. I don't have those parts. I really don't know where to get it from, but if I do, if anybody knows where to get them from, drop a like in the comments or drop a comment in the comments and tell me, hey guy, it's located here, probably like 15 bucks or another $120. I don't know. But in the end of the day, just gonna buy a new headlight, whole new headlight housing. Hopefully it is the one that has the actual HIDs or LED, bulbs, so I can just replace and not have to worry about buying another headlight. But yeah, hey, that's it for me. See y'all later.